What's up, YouTube? This is our second vlog of the channel. It's about my truck. I finally got it after 2 months of waiting, just sitting there. But I finally got my truck. I'll show you guys a mini vlog. Hope you guys like it. And yeah, and stuff that are missing in the truck. Yo, I just got my truck back, bro. What? Yeah. Did you find it? You could? They said no. I want to hear the core start. Oh, yeah. Okay. Cool start, guys. Yeah, it's alright. This is the worst part. Oh my gosh.
Put them upside down.
This is the worst part of the whole video. Doing this. I'm broke, guys. I'm gonna be broke after this.
Now for a little.
Damn. This is the second day, guys, because the first day we got pulled over. I didn't record anything because first it was my first time it was my first time getting pulled over, so I didn't know what to do. Like, I wasn't scared, but like I just didn't want to record or anything. But the reason why I just got my truck back was I was waiting for 2 months because the shop was really busy, and this is why we got new brakes, 4 sides. So yeah, so that's what I took for 2 days, I think. But we got pulled over because of this windshield. There's a tint on the windshield, and in Virginia you can't have that. So let me show you. So there's this thing, and it shows you that the tint could go like over here, right? Like all this line. But mine goes all the way down here, and you can't have that in Virginia. So that's why I didn't get my sticker for my car. So I'm driving with no sticker. So I got a ticket for that, so it sucks. So now I gotta get this removed. But yeah, and then this wait, let me cover this. I gotta fix more stuff. So that sucks. So I just got it back. Now I can't drive it. And I'm gonna show you guys a clip, a mini vlog when I go to school. So I'm gonna drive to school like this. I don't think you're gonna say anything because I park really back at the school, and I don't have a sticker, so I don't think nice. I don't think they're gonna see my sticker. I don't think they're gonna say anything about it, and I hope I don't get pulled over. But here's a mini vlog, so yeah. What's up, guys? This is the next morning, and my truck here. This is the cold start. So cold, guys. Okay. It goes to my backpack away. Hold on. It's so cold, guys. I gotta warm it up because it's so cold. Oh yeah. We're about to head up to school. Yeah. But I'm gonna put my window down and close it, go back inside because it's too cold. So yeah. Behind this bus, bro. Lucky might catch up. That's a whole dad. Like what? Oh, that's a whole wait. But I look dumb, Quinn. That's a whole dad. Like what? But yeah, we made it at school. School's like over there. But yeah, we made it to school. I parked kind of far because I'm not trying to make it too suspicious. But yeah, because I don't got the sticker and I'm trying to get in trouble. Well, tow my car, bro. I'm a truck, so. Hey, look. That's a grown ass dude, bro. That's a grown ass dude. Okay, I gotta go because it starts. School starts at 8, and it's at 5:56. It's a long ass walk too. So, yeah. Just came out of the school over there. Everyone's leaving already. That's late, by the way. Okay, it's so hot. But I don't know what we're gonna do today. But if we do something, I'll let you know, guys. But yeah, just got some Taco Bell. I mean Chipotle. Just got some Chipotle. Oh, it's so dirty. Okay, where's my keys? Dude, I'm about to eat good, guys. Like, oh, I'm about to eat good. Like, oh. I'm gonna park somewhere else because I'm like done eating here. Like, the road is like right there. So, I'm gonna park over there. Okay. Yo, that was scary. I thought it didn't turn on. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I'm gonna eat good. I'm gonna go eat good, guys. But yeah. Yo, my eye got red. Like I was scratching the face. It was like so red. Gee, I look so good. But my bowl is really simple. Like it's really simple. Hold up. Let me get this good bite. Oh, bro. Oh my gosh, everything is falling. Look at this bite. It's really good. Just rice, black beans, chicken, cheese, and lettuce. My eyes are so red though. Oh my, this is why you don't stretch your eye a lot. It's so good turn like this. It's so good though. It's the second time, guys. Again, filling up my truck again, guys. This is the worst part. But yeah. Boys, we're running away from a cop. Bro, oh snap. Yo. Oh snap. Look.